My name is Frank Somba. I will first introduce my team members. From the left is Dennis, in the center at the middle is Moniki, and here's Lyson. Our project name is Zero Laptop Loss, in acronyms ZLL. So our project aims at curbing the rates of laptop theft, majorly in institutions of higher learning. You'll agree with me that you know a friend who has ever lost a laptop in the university or their laptop has been stolen. So majorly our project is aimed at curbing the rates of laptop loss or theft in our institutions or at other points. So our project is going to be implemented so that we can reduce those rates. Okay, and then normally the stolen laptops are sold at cheaper prices. That's why there is always the market for the stolen laptops. So we're trying to reduce that. So I'll then introduce Dennis to take over from me.
So Zero Laptop Loss will have 3 phases as a project. It will have one phase where there will be a security software or a security app. It will have a user app, and it will also have a central database. I'll first look into the security part. The security software or the security app will be able to check in and check out laptops at major checkpoints of an institution, be it a hotel, be it a university, be it a secondary school, at the gate point where people register their laptops by writing. They will just involve a scanning by the security software, and the details of the laptop will be captured alongside the details of the user. So the gate man can be able to identify whether the user who has that laptop is the ideal owner. Also, the security part will have a functionality to detect laptops that have been flagged as stolen. If a laptop is stolen, for example, and a user has reported that it is stolen, if it tries to check out or check in at an institution, then the security software will be able to flag the security personnel, and they will be able to confiscate the laptop and give it back to the owner. The software will centralize checkpoints all around Kenya. Not only the institutions that are mainly affected, but also may it be a point in Kisumu, may it be a point at Mandera, the checkpoint will be registered to the central database. So if a laptop is reported stolen at any point of Kenya, it can be identified in any other part if it checks in or checks out at a checkpoint.
And I'm Waniki, and I'll take you through the user part. So now when we come to the user, it is divided into 2. Part 1, we have the user who is going to look for a laptop in the market. Example, let's say myself, I want to buy a laptop just around Juja or just around Jkuat. So what I'll do, I'll just go, and if let's say Dennis is the one who is selling a laptop to me, I'll just have downloaded the app, because the user app will be in the Play Store. So I'll first download the app, then I'll come to Dennis. So I'll ask him, is this the device that you are selling to me? Yes. So I will be able to check the viability of this laptop. What do I mean by viability? Number 1, I'll be able to check, is this laptop registered with ZLL? If it is registered, which was the last check-in or check-out point? So a random user will be able to access where this machine or device checked in last. So example, if we are here at Juja, Dennis is selling to me a laptop which has been checked out last maybe 1 day ago in Mombasa. It will be suspicious, like, okay, between Mombasa and here. And another thing, if the laptop I'm going to buy is flagged, maybe Dennis has already flagged it as stolen, the application will tell me that this laptop is flagged and it is flagged at this point. Then let me now go to the other user, the user who have already now bought the laptop. I'll give a good example. Assuming that we are partnering with maybe Taifa laptops, then so I'll go there to buy the Taifa laptop, and the Taifa laptop will already now be connected with my details, and my details will be fed in the ZLL central database. Now this means that myself, I can be able to log in to this app, and I can be able to monitor the log, as in, if the laptop I have just entered Jkuat, if I go to the app, I'll see that at this particular time I entered Jkuat check-in, and at this particular time I checked out at the Jkuat maybe checkout. If I go to KU with the same laptop, I can be able to check in and check out. So using the user app, if me as the user am registered by the system, it will be able to show me all the places where I have gone. I can be able to monitor the movements of my laptop. Another thing of the user, you cannot register yourself in the system. You have to be registered by either the manufacturer or where you bought the laptop. Now, assuming that I'm also the owner of a laptop, and now I'm genuinely want to sell it to the another person. So as the user, I can be able to go to the office and be able to transfer ownership from myself to another person. So, and I can also be able, assuming that I have lost a laptop in town, I can be able to access the app, log in with my details, and flag it as stolen. If I flag it as stolen, if it is checked at any checkpoint in the country, it will alarm it as a stolen laptop, and through that I can be able to easily track it to where it is. And since I'm registering it with my own details, they can even be able to contact me and ask me whether I have permitted or I'm the one who have given my laptop to check in at that point. I'll now hand over to Lyson to take us through the central database.
The central database is our way of connecting all checkpoints and check-in and check-out points. The current check-in and check-out points in maybe like our institution Jkuat is a system where we write the serial numbers of our laptops in books. That means if someone checks out with their laptop at the gate and sells it to a person in KU, you will never be able to track your laptop again. It's gone forever. But with our central database, we can be able to connect all those check-in and check-out points, so that if my laptop is stolen in Jkuat, I will be able to flag it as stolen, and if it checks in at any other checkpoint in KU or in any other institution in the country, I'll be able to recover my device. So the central database receives data from the user application and the security application, so that it can monitor all devices in any part of the country. I'll hand over to
Okay, the market that we target are the users, who are the buyers of the laptop and the owners of the laptop, also the manufacturers. For the user, we assure them of security of their devices. We can assure them of the security of their devices. And for the manufacturers, they can get access to vital information about the market consumption. For example, if a large percentage of people are checking in into a particular institution in a particular area with only one brand of laptops, that means that that brand of laptops is the one that dominates that market area. So if a manufacturer knows that I am well dominating in this area, then he'll know that probably in this other area I have not dominated the market, so I need to do some more product promotion. The user can also get details of their laptop if it is stolen. That is another advantage of this application, that the user can monitor their device throughout, wherever it moves, anywhere in the country. So I'll forward my part.
So the viability of our project, will agree with me that the problem of stolen laptops exists. So our project is viable as long as we are able to solve and to give the owners of the laptop a security services. And then those who intend to partner with in the market, for example, we can partner with Taifa laptop manufacturers, so that they can be able to secure their laptops from the manufacturing point. They can install the ZLL system in their laptop, so that before they sell it to the users. And then we can also partner with major websites, so that we can be able to track laptops online by using something called the MAC addresses, which are very specific to every laptop. So thank you.